A basic keto breakfast just needs to be low in carbs and high in protein and healthy fats, with selective use of fresh fruit and low-carb veggies. At this video, we will show you 5 ideas keto breakfast revipes. 1. Keto granola cereal. 2. Kale casserole with mushrooms and cheddar. 3. Green chili and cheese egg muffins. 4. Keto fat balls. 5. Baked eggs with spinach and tomato. 1. Keto granola cereal. You'll love this fast, easy low-carb keto granola recipe with nuts and seeds. It's crunchy, grain-free, sugar-free, and just 2 net carbs. 1A. Ingredients. 1 cup almonds, see notes below. 1 cup hazelnuts. 1 cup pecans. 1/3 cup pumpkin seeds. 1/3 cup sunflower seeds. 6 tablespoons Bestie monk fruit allulose blend. 1/2 cup golden flax seed meal. 1 large egg white. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, measured solid, then melted. Use coconut oil or ghee for dairy-free, or use salted butter if your nuts are unsalted. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1B. Instructions. 1. Process the hard nuts. Pulse the almonds and hazelnuts in a food processor intermittently until most of the nuts are chopped into large pieces. 2. Process the soft nuts. Add the pecans and pulse again, stopping when they are in large pieces. 3. Add the pumpkin and sunflower seeds, Bestie, and flax seed meal. Pulse just until all the dry ingredients are mixed well. 4. Add the wet ingredients. Add the egg white to the food processor. Whisk together melted butter and vanilla extract in a small bowl and evenly pour that in too. Pulse a couple times. Mix a little from the bottom toward the top with a spatula, then pulse a couple times again. Repeat as needed until everything is coated evenly. 5. Bake. Transfer the nut mixture to a large baking tray or 2 small ones lined with parchment paper. Press into a uniform thin rectangle. Bake the keto cereal until lightly browned. 6. Cool. Let keto granola cool completely before breaking apart into pieces. 2. Kale casserole with mushrooms and cheddar. 2A. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon butter, for greasing, optional. 2 large eggs. 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 garlic cloves minced. 8 ounces, 3¼ cups, mushrooms sliced. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. 8 ounces kale, trimmed and shredded. 8 ounces, 1 cup, cream cheese at room temperature. 2 cups, 8 ounces, shredded cheddar cheese. 2B. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Set aside a lightly greased, 9 inches by 9 inches, 23 by 23 centimeters, baking dish. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together the eggs and heavy whipping cream. Set aside. 3. Melt the butter in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add the garlic, mushrooms, salt, and pepper and saute for a couple of minutes. Increase temperature to medium-high. Add the kale in batches and toss together for 5 minutes or until tender. Turn off the heat. 4. Combine the cream cheese with the fried vegetables in the hot pan. Add the egg mixture with half of the shredded cheddar cheese and stir all together until evenly combined. 5. Pour the casserole mixture into the baking dish and sprinkle the remaining cheddar cheese on top. Bake on the middle rack for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges are lightly browned and the middle is set. 6. Set aside to cool for 10 minutes prior to serving. 3. Green chili and cheese egg muffins. Green chili and cheese egg muffins are a great low-carb make-ahead breakfast, and I usually have ingredients for these in the house. And I think this type of muffin made with mostly egg is a perfect grab-and-go breakfast, and when I taught school I used to eat them in the car. 3A. Ingredients. 15 eggs. 2 cans, 4 ounces size, diced or whole green chiles, drained. 3 cups Mexican blend cheese. 2 teaspoons, spike seasoning, see notes. Salt and fresh ground black pepper to taste. 3/4 cup sliced green onion, optional. 3B. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Spray silicone baking cups with non-stick spray. 3. Drain green chiles, affiliate link, and cut them up if you're using whole chiles. 4. In each muffin cup put grated cheese, some diced green chili, and some sliced green onion if using. 5. Beat eggs until egg whites and yolks are well combined. Add spike seasoning and mix into eggs. 6. Pour egg mixture over cheese so each muffin cup is full. This usually takes 2 pourings as the egg mixture settles over the cheese. 7. I like to take a fork and gently stir in each muffin cup to get the cheese evenly distributed in the egg. 8. Bake 375 for about 35 minutes, or until all muffins are puffed up and the top is starting to brown. I usually start checking them and rotate the pan after 25 minutes. 9. Egg muffins will keep in the fridge for at least a week. 10. To reheat, put on small plate and microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't microwave too long or they get rubbery. 4. Keto fat balls. For A. Ingredients. 8 ounces cream cheese, softened to room temperature. Half a cup keto-friendly peanut butter. 1/4 cup coconut oil, plus 2 tablespoons. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. Half a cup keto-friendly dark chocolate chips. Directions. 1. Line a small baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, combine cream cheese, peanut butter, 1/4 cup coconut oil, and salt. Using a hand mixer, beat mixture until fully combined, about 2 minutes. Place bowl in freezer to firm up slightly, 10 to 15 minutes. 2. When peanut butter mixture has hardened, use a small cookie scoop or spoon to create tablespoon-sized balls. Place in refrigerator to harden, 5 minutes. 3. Meanwhile, make chocolate drizzle. Combine chocolate chips and remaining coconut oil in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave in 30-second intervals until fully melted. Drizzle over peanut butter balls and place back in refrigerator to harden, 5 minutes. 4. To store, keep covered in refrigerator. 5. Baked eggs with spinach and tomato. 5A. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons olive oil, plus more for ramekins. 1 medium onion, sliced. 5 ounces baby spinach. 1 14.5 ounces can whole tomatoes, chopped. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. Half a teaspoon sweet paprika. Kosher salt. Pepper. 2 teaspoons hot sauce, optional. For large eggs. 1/4 C crumbled feta cheese. 5B. Directions. 1. Heat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease 4 10-ounces ramekins. Heat oil in medium saucepan on medium-high. Add onion and sauté until tender, about 5 minutes. Add spinach and sauté until just wilted, about 2 minutes, remove from heat. 2. Meanwhile, in medium bowl, stir together tomatoes, cumin, paprika, 1 teaspoon, each salt and pepper and hot sauce if using. Add onion spinach mixture and mix to combine. Divide among ramekins. 3. Crack 1 egg into center of each ramekin, then sprinkle on feta. Bake until whites are set but yolks are still runny, 12 to 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.